Hey y'all, what's up? BriannaMagic back, and and before we start, I want to say if y'all hear anything fuzzy in the background, sorry, my sound is weird. But anyway, yeah, all that. Okay, so today we're doing a different type of video here on BriannaMagic. You know what? So today we're doing a different type of video here on my channel. It's a challenge, and I really enjoy doing this challenge with my niece. And it is called My Niece Picks Out My Makeup. Germany, calm down, okay? Calm down. So I just thought this challenge just when I was babysitting her. So, but I advise you guys to do it also if you have nieces or nephews or little siblings or anything like that. Little cousins, anything. But this is really fun because she was actually like pointing at stuff, and it was like really hilarious to me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is the look that I came up with. That these products was picked out by her. So, okay, Germany. Okay, Germany. Okay, Germany. She is 8 months. If y'all don't know that. She's 8 months, and guess what, y'all? Her birthday is December 26th. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you already subscribed, thank you so much. And let's just get into the video. We shall we? Shall we? Look. Chicken nugget. I need you to pick out something for my brows. This is my brow drawer, y'all. Let me get this out. Enough for my brows. Thank you, Germany. This is my brows. This is by Shop Miss A. It's by the AOA Studios. It's a brow sculpting pencil. Ooh, and it's almost gone. What is this? Essence Brow Gel. Let's pick out a concealer. I'm so weak. See the thing, Germany. I can use that for my shadow base. This is e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Fair Warm. Which one? Oh, okay. This L'Oreal concealer is the new ones. Okay, thank you, Germany. Which one? Like, if they books, you gonna read me one? That one. She pointed at it. I'm weak. Now, which one out of those? I didn't get this pair or something. That one. Okay. Which one? With this, which one can I mix it with? Okay, thank you. I've been mixing the CoverGirl one with the Juvia's Place one, and it just looks pretty good on my skin. Which one? That one. She picked this one. The Fenty. That, okay. I'm gonna put down Brianna and from the Shop Miss A brand. These are called Cutie Kari from our lash brand, Magic Creations, me and my sister. Yeah. Yeah. These are called, which one are these? Oh, these are Juicy Germany. Yeah. Yeah. These are called Juicy Germany. These, okay. You want your lashes. Those are her lashes. They're named after her. We're just gonna see again. Okay, well. But anyway, like I was saying, these came from Dollar General. They're not bad. They're just really, really small. That one. Okay. I dig it. What's my first choice? But
so we have this AOA by Shop Miss A Steamy Mascara. We have this, wait a minute. mascara, one of my favorites, the telescopic. Yep, by L'Oreal mascara. And this one is by BB. I got it from Burlington. I know you got it. It has all these rhinestones and stuff on it. So it'll help it.
I knew she was gonna get that. You know, the raffle tickets are for $1. Okay, y'all, that was the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, and let me know if you want to see Germany in any more videos. You know, her mama was in the background of my videos. That's my sister. Bye, y'all. See y'all next video. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.